Isabella Williams.
Isabella Williams, and I have type 1 diabetes. Diabetes isn't that bad when you have something like TrialNet to back you up. It's a study that focuses on finding a cure for diabetes. And I just signed up for TrialNet, and they're already working on finding a cure to help a lot of people who need this. And diabetes isn't that bad. I mean, you can still eat a lot of things that you want. You just have to monitor yourself. I'm an ice skater, and if anything, I think I'm better now because of all the health choices I've been making than before. So sign up for TrialNet. TrialNet to find a cure.